Maybe it's like I usually hit like normally maximum is E. Like a high E, but maybe it's just early in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't warmed up yet.
Oh really? E.
Yes.
Okay.
No, like
You just did E flat.
Yes.
Okay.
But in the TV show,
Okay.
I every single stage
You can hit the E.
hit the D normally all the time.
D, no problem.
No problem.
No any problem.
D is no problem,
okay.
but usually at like an E and on a very very good day F. Maybe.
Oh really?
I don't think so, but
Oh my God.
sometimes.
So I mark E is okay. Is that okay? In your actual voice?
Let's just go E flat to make it safe.
Okay.
Yeah, E flat is.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, great.